What looks natural?
What are you doing?
With a Langham.
Oh, see, this is what I didn't want to have to do. Pretend to be comfortable. I actually want to be comfortable. It's just looking a bit like, oh, look at these two in love. When everyone knows we hate each other.
I've been trying to deal with my posture.
Does this look weird? Your leg right across my body like that?
Right, we finally made it to YouTube.
Yeah. Right, so we did it. We've made it. We're on YouTube. And no, that's not right.
This is Davey and I'm Jodie Langham.
Would you be annoyed if I actually put that in the video?
Yeah.
Right, so we did it. We've actually done it, yeah?
Yeah.
We've left the UK. We sold everything. We sold our house. We had a coffee shop, sold that, pretty much everything we own. And we pretty much got down to, what, 4 bags?
Yeah.
That's it, and we've gone. We've left. We're out.
Bye-bye. It actually sounds mental, doesn't it?
Yeah, to say it out loud, it does. And this is new for us.
Very new.
No, but it does feel weird because we're not used to this, but we knew we had to document our journey, right?
This awkwardness on camera will get easier the more videos we do.
Yeah, so please don't judge us on this first video. Stick around and hopefully we'll get better.
So it started back in 2024. We'd had enough.
Yep, that was
We
it.
sold our coffee shop, we sold our house, we sold everything we had. Buy your tools. So.
Yes, I kept my tools. I had to keep my tools.
And we just walked away from this normal, perfect life.
Yeah, well, it was great. We're not complaining. We did have a great life. Like the kids were at school, we had a business, you know, the house was lovely. We turned it into a home. Well, you turned it into a home.
I did.
But yeah, something just didn't feel right, so we knew we had to leave.
We gave up.
We did, basically, yeah, we gave up, yeah.
Now we're just winging it.
Pretty much, yeah. Okay, so why did we do it? Because so many people asked us this question, and it's a little bit complicated, but the more and more we got into it, it sort of felt right.
We were sick of the daily grind, the everyday norm, the school runs, the not seeing the kids enough. We were working 6 days a week at a coffee shop we had. The only good thing was being surrounded by our family and friends. Yeah. Everything else in our town seemed to suck.
Yeah, pretty much. And it just became predictable. Like every day, we knew what was coming every day. And then when the winter kicked in, which was pretty much half of the year back in the UK, we were just stuck in. There wasn't much to do in our local area, so we were pretty much just stuck in. So if it wasn't for our family and friends, it would have been pretty bad, right?
Yeah. The weather's grey, everything's getting more expensive.
And with our mortgage, it was getting bad, right? It was doubling. That was one of the main things that actually sort of kicked off this whole thing.
Being stuck at work 6 days a week when you've got a family wasn't easy at all, was it?
No.
So that kind of kick-started us. And then we got the letter through saying that the mortgage was doubling and we were like, we've had enough.
Yeah,
we're just getting screwed.
That was the nail in the coffin for us, definitely.
So we put the coffee shop on the market. Luckily that went within a couple of months.
Yeah, we were worried because it was a new business. We'd only had it for like over a year just.
Yeah.
And it went. So that was good, yeah. And it was great. You enjoyed working there because it's something you've always wanted.
Oh, I absolutely loved it. I just missed the time with the kids. They were growing up too quick and I felt mum guilt all the time by being at work, which wasn't fun at all. So when that went, it was a big relief because the pressure was off. Straight after that, we put our house on the market. That went within a couple of months of the shop selling. So that was scary, wasn't it?
It was weird because the minute we put the house on the market and we saw the sign outside, we knew that we couldn't go back now. No. We'd started the ball rolling and yeah, we were in it. We were in it for the long haul.
We were. It was a sad day, obviously, letting go of the house because we had both the kids there and it was all their memories there. That wasn't easy walking away from there, but it opened up such a big opportunity for us to be able to do this and to be able to travel. Without that house, we wouldn't be here right now.
Yeah, and they do miss it because, as you said, all the memories, first steps, all that sort of thing, you know, them being conceived there and all sorts. And the kids do really still miss having a home, but this is just now our new norm, just sort of like jumping from one place to another, right?
It is, yeah.
Just have to check our notes because this is our first video and clearly we're not professional at this. So I actually remember the first night we had a serious conversation about it and it was just sort of like the whole, you know, it just felt like, oh yeah, that's the dream, you know, because everybody talks about doing this, don't they?
Yeah.
It got to the point where it was like, why not? Why are we not doing this? What's keeping us here? And of course, family and friends, but that just almost wasn't enough.
No. We've done it before.
Yeah.
We've sold up everything before.
Before we had the kids.
13 years ago.
Yeah.
packed up everything and we moved to Spain, and we had a good adventure then, didn't we? So we knew it was in us. We were never going to stay in the same place, in the same bubble. So the timing was never going to be perfect, and we did it scared, or else we were never going to do it at all.
Yeah. No. Did what you just said make sense?
I don't know. You have to listen back on it. So the kids are 3 and 6, so like the perfect age to drag around the world before they start asking any questions.
With the kids as well, we want to spend time with them, obviously, and right now they want to spend time with us. And if they're anything like us, when they're older, they're just going to go off and do their own thing anyway. So while they actually want to spend time with us,
And they have to spend time with us.
yeah, this actually made sense to do it now, right?
Yeah.
And we didn't mind pulling them out of school. At first, we were really not, just because of the social side of it, we really didn't want to pull them out of school. But the school system,
We'll save that for another video.
we'll save that for another video, because that's a whole subject, and I think a lot of people are going to want to chime in on that one. The fact is, it just wasn't enough, and we know that we'd rather have them be more cultured than educated. Homeschooling, there's tons of things online, so
And we'll continue to educate them as we move along.
yeah. So as we said, everything seemed to be just too predictable, and the reality is we just wanted them to see a different way of life, right?
Yeah, more than one version.
Yeah, more than
Without
one
us
version.
Always rushing off to work.
So normally the year we'd be working all year, the kids would be at school obviously, and then we'd have a holiday and we'd be all excited and it'd feel great, and then you come back off holiday and it's,
The blues kicks in.
yeah, instant reality kicks in, and it was just like,
Why did we come back?
yeah, exactly. And you go to these places and everyone's in a good mood because they're either on holiday or they live there or they were doing what we're doing right now. So it just kept reminding us that, you know, we should be doing this.
So working 6 days a week with only some days off, it became really difficult to manage family time.
Yeah.
We had to cram everything into one day. We took up a liking of paddleboarding, so we'd take the kids out as much as we could so we could have that full-on family time, which the kids really, really enjoyed, didn't
That
they?
was only when the weather was nice though. And again, England, weather, pretty shit.
So we will be missing our little family days out, but now we get to do it in some amazing countries.
Yeah. Right, so the day came and we were all packed. We literally had like 4 bags, that was
Yeah,
it.
1 bag each.
Yeah, and once we sold everything, there wasn't really much else choice we had.
There's no
right?
going back.
Yeah, we booked with who?
Saudi Airlines.
Saudi Airlines, literally cannot fault them.
It was a fantastic flight. We did stop in Jeddah for like an hour and 15 minutes. By the time we got through and checked our bags back in, we were straight on the flight and we were leaving again.
Yeah.
But it was continuous food, drink, the entertainment.
Oh, the kids had
system was
fun.
great. They had a little controller on there so you could play games.
And we proper lucked out as well because we ended up with 2 whole lanes. We ended up with 2 whole rows.
We were going bowling.
Yeah, we ended up with 2 whole rows. So the kids literally laid down, fell asleep pretty much the whole way, and it was just great, wasn't it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it was a fantastic flight.
Yeah, so
Definitely use them again.
definitely use Saudi again. So highly recommend them for sure. Obviously, we made it. We're here. We can't believe it. This was our first stop.
Yep.
Yeah, and
Dubai.
Dubai, yeah, and it's hot.
So when we landed, it was about 35 degrees, so we were scorching, weren't we?
Yeah.
We ran straight back into the airport, and we weren't expecting it to be that hot.
Not at night, anyway.
No.
I thought it would drop, but
Morning.
yeah, but it was 5 o'clock in the morning. It wasn't exactly.
It's not night, is it?
Yeah, I know, but it was hot. It was really, really
It
hot.
was very hot. So we woke up the next morning, our hotel's great. So we're staying down in Dira and we didn't want to be too close to all... Oh my God.
What are you saying? What are you trying to say?
The hustle and bustle, I was going to
Oh,
say. That
don't
sounds
say-
just as It's absolutely fabulous.
Don't say hustle and bustle. So we're in Dira.
So we're staying in Dira at the Wyndham. We didn't want to be too close to the Burj and everything. We wanted to just be outside because we know how busy it can get down there. We can't fault the hotel. We can fault the hotel. We're looking at a wall we can't escape. The hotel's
all right.
The hotel's okay.
It's a hotel. It's not bad. It's nice. It's nice.
The view from the pool's insane.
Yeah.
You
it
can
is.
see the whole skyline, you can see the Burj, and at night time it's amazing. So the pool doesn't shut until about 10 o'clock at night, does it?
No.
So it's been lovely there.
Anyway, we made it, and what's next? This sounds boring.
Oh, I know.
This sounds really boring.
Just to let you know that we did actually video ourselves back in June 2024
Yeah.
in Dubai, in our hotel. We look back at the footage and it's horrific.
Yeah, it's ridiculous.
We hated
This
it.
probably is still just
This
as
is
bad.
terrible.
So basically, the video we first done was horrendous. So we've actually re-recorded it. This is probably just as bad. So please, if you're still with us right now, thank you so much, and just give it a like because, yeah, we clearly need the help. And this is our first video, so if literally we have no subscribers and you're watching it, please at least
Be
like.
our first subscriber.
Yeah, or just like it, just do something. I think the fact is that we've done it, we've started the ball rolling, and there's no going back, right?
And you can do it too.
Yeah.
we're here just to encourage you guys, show you can do it. It is possible. We'll be giving you tips and tricks on how we've done it. We'll be giving you all of our little reels on our days out. Any advice, we're here. We want you to come with us.
And we want to be as transparent as possible, because we spent ages on looking online, watching other videos about other families doing the same thing, and until we finally took that sort of step. So we really want to sort of let people know that, you know, you can do it. Even with a family, you can still do it. There will be obstacles, but you just got to go for it and just don't look back. I think the reality is we can't go back, right?
We can't.
Yeah, we're not getting a mortgage at this rate, so yeah, we're stuck here. So what can you expect from this channel? We think, what, 1 video a week?
We'll be uploading weekly videos.
Yeah, weekly videos. We're trying to do 1 long form video a week. We've got a bunch of reels that we're going to upload as well. We've already started making some of the journey, haven't we?
We have indeed. So they will be coming straight after this video. So keep your eyes peeled. So that's it, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
All right, guys, that's it. If you enjoyed it, please like, follow, subscribe. We really need all the help we can get.
Even if you didn't enjoy it, please like, follow and subscribe.
Just like a sympathy like, or, you know, anything, that'd be great. And until the next one, anyway, we'll see you then.
Bye.
Oh, God, horrendous. Horrendous.
Woo!